Hi friend, today we'll write the program to find last digit of the number. Example is 9768. The 8 is last digit. First we write the main method. Then define the variable which is used during writing this program, int number and last digit. Here we want input given by the user, so we use a scanner object. sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. Then enter the input, enter any number. In this next line of code, define what user is enter. Number is equal to sc dot next integer, last digit. If the number is divisible by 10 and what is getting remainder is that is last digit, so print that last digit. The last digit of given number is number is plus last digit. Save the program and run the program. Enter any number like 9564. Here 4 is 6 digit, that is the last digit of given number 9564. The 4 is last digit.